Okay, let's have a look. Euro dollar. Euro dollar is downtrend, it's slowly getting down, and for the last few weeks or days, let's say it's a weekly chart first. So it's really hard to trade. Looks like it's just some consolidation in this area. And if you let's have a look at daily chart. Daily chart is still in downtrend. You can see this point here. Yeah, it's a really good point to short. But for me, I think for the if we have a look at 4 hours, I'm not gonna short here now because it's not really good point to short. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait. It's probably pull back, and I'm going to have a look at the MACD. The MACD, if the MACD come back to the zero, maybe here, yeah, maybe here, yeah, around here somewhere, then I will short, or otherwise I will wait until it's dropped to this point. It's 1.1176. So yeah, 76 or 70. Yeah. So hello, the 1 hour. This is 1 hour. Yeah. So here I will have a look at the kind of formations. Maybe there will be a bounce back. Yeah. And but overall, and for the daily chart is still downtrend. Is we're gonna look for short because if we go back to the weekly chart, this Fibonacci 619 here, 786 here. So I think this is, if we count as 5 waves, this is one 5 waves. This is ABC. So the C wave we should be maybe around here. It's $1.08. So next week we're gonna watch this level. If next week is close, break and close under this 1.117, we're gonna add a short. But first, for first a couple of days, are you looking for the MACD is coming back to zero to short? Yeah, sorry, yeah, come back to zero to short. Maybe here, somewhere there. Maybe yeah, this point. Maybe look this part, this price, this one, this one. So it's not good time to short. Just wait a bit to see. This is euro dollar.